Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a chibi, cute Sonic. So we're going to start with Sonic's eyes. We're going to draw really big eyes for Sonic. So we're going to draw kind of this M shape. So here's the first part, and then we're going to draw the second part here. Those are going to be his eyes. So we're going to draw Sonic winking. So this is the eye that is open. He's kind of looking off to the side. And we're going to draw these two shapes inside of the eye. And then a circle. Circle for the shine of the pupil. Then we're going to color in that second oval shape we made. And then once we've done that, we can move on to the other eye. That one is winking, so that one's closed. So we have his eyes done. We're going to do his nose now. So the nose is an oval. We can just color in that oval. So there's his nose. Then when we're done, we can go ahead and finish his snout. So we're going to draw this line that goes all the way around. All the way around. Awesome. Then we'll draw that mouth. Sonic is smiling. Then we'll move on to the ears. First we gotta draw this part of his head. And then we can go ahead and draw the ear on top of that. So Sonic's ears are kind of like a cat's ears. They're pointy. And then we just have to draw the same shape on the inside, but smaller. And then we have one ear. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna draw that triangle shape, kind of like a cat's ear. And then we're gonna draw that inside part. Perfect. Now that we're done with that, we can go ahead and move on to the quills on the back of his head. So we're going to draw this line that goes really far out and then really far back in. Goes far out, far past his ear, and then comes right back in. Then we're going to do it again. It's out and then back in. Then we have one more to do. So we're going to go out and then right back in. All right, good. Then we're going to move on. We're gonna move on to his body. We're done with his head. We're gonna move on to his body. Now his body's gonna be really, really tiny because he's chibi. Chibi means we have to make him really cute and adorable, so his head's gonna be way bigger than the rest of him. So we're gonna draw this oval for his tummy. And then this line that comes out for his arm. His arm's kind of like behind him. You can't see his hand. And then we're gonna move on to his legs. So kind of like his head, his feet are also going to be really big. This just makes Sonic super, super cute. So we're going to draw his really tiny skinny legs here. Really tiny skinny legs here. But just keep in mind, we're going to need a lot of room for his really big feet later. So let's move on to that last arm. It's going to curve up. And then we're going to draw his hand. So he's going to be given a peace sign. We're going to draw him given a peace sign. So this is the bottom of his glove. Then we're going to draw his thumb. And then we'll draw the two fingers that are up for the peace sign. And then the other fingers that are down. And then we have his hand. We're almost done with this drawing. We're doing great. Now we're going to draw his shoes. So we draw this oval shape on both of the legs, Then we can draw the shoes. So the shoe is going to start right after we draw this cuffed part. And of course we need a couple extra details on his back, so his tail and then one of these quills. Then we're going to draw this curved line, straight line, and then another straight line on the bottom of the shoe. Curved line, straight line. There's his shoes. So Sonic has like this stripe on his shoe and then this extra line on the bottom. So we're going to add that for extra detail. There's one. And then there's two. Once you're done with that, we're done with our chibi Sonic drawing. If you want, you can add these little lines. I did just because I thought it was really cute, but it is completely optional. Alright, then when you're all done, you can go ahead and color your drawing. And that's about it. Thanks so much for following along. Bye, guys.